Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change or access your APN settings on iPhone. And it's pretty simple to do. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like and comment down below if this video will help you in any way. So what you want to do is go to your settings, then mobile service or cellular data. After that, you're gonna go to mobile data network. It may be a little bit different for you, but this is for iOS 17 up. And when you go here, as you can see, there's APN right here for mobile data, for MMS, and for personal hotspot. And here you can change the settings by contacting your SIM provider for all the information. You can also scroll down and reset all the settings right here if you want to. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you access your APN settings on iPhone, and I will see you next time. Bye.